Hello guys, hope everything is good and going good. Okay, so guys, let's see what New York session can give us. Yesterday, okay, so liquidity taken here with mitigation. This can be SMT. This is some sort of channel formation. Yes. So this is something like relative equal highs. Okay, now we have let me check DXY. DXY has a lower low. It has taken out Asia session low, and all of these liquidities and taken out this one. So almost it has made relative equal lows. Whereas EURUSD has not made relative equal lows, but it has done the mitigation of this order block. So and this one has given us 2-point SMT. Now again reminding ourselves that during London session it took out Asia session low, then it took out Asia session high. So when high and low of Asia session are being taken within one session, it means the price will be the overall um, profile of the price will be whipsaw. So since Asia session whipsaw has already been done, the whipsaw of this particular area is to be done, or at least either one of them has to be taken. So most probably I am not seeing price reaching up to this level. Most probably from here price should drop down. So let's see. I will wait for EU. I will wait for the move in GU. If it goes above this particular level and it takes out relative equal highs and then it starts to go down, then I will trade it. So basically I am waiting for this move towards downside. And timing wise we have, yes, at least almost 3 hours, and in 3 hours this move can happen. Regarding EU, it has given this move after taking out the liquidity. This was the liquidity taken by this move. Yesterday it was a strong high, a strong low. This low has been taken out here, and then price started to shoot up, and it stopped near to the order block of yesterday. So order block worked very well. Price started to drop down. See, our level is here. So near to the level, price did the mitigation of this order block one more time, and then it started to break down. Why I did not enter into this particular trade? Because I don't have any confirmation here. We don't have any change of state of delivery or market structure shift indication here. This was one indication, yes, this one was, but normally I avoid trading this pattern. Normally I avoid trading this M. I prefer this M to be like this. One more time take out the liquidity, and then this will be my breakup structure. So this is what normally I like to trade. Actually, one model is enough. So this is what I was looking for here, but it didn't give it, so I did not take any entry. Here I also did not took entry because I was hoping, and my alarm is set here, which I will remove it now. So I was hoping that price could go further below, take out previous day low, and then take out my level, and then it can go up. So this is what I was hoping, but price took this liquidity level, and then price gave a market structure shift here. This is internal market structure shift, internal breakup structure, and then this is main breakup structure. So we could have traded this fair value gap here, or we could have traded the later one here after main breakup structure. Either way, it was a good trade. It took out this level and then this level, and it started to reverse from here. So now let me explain you one more thing. Let me check one thing first. So let me explain one more thing. Consider this is my price leg. This is my price leg, trading zone, whatever you want to call it. So once it starts to retrace and then trades internally here somewhere, it makes two order blocks, two main order blocks. One is this one, this is bearish order block, and then this is bullish order block. Okay. So the concept is, once price range has been established, price will trade internally, yani it will make some liquidity internally, and then it will take support from mitigation area of the order block. So if it is taking support from bullish order block, then the bearish order block will not work. This should be draw on liquidity. If on the contrary, let me remove the brush. If on the contrary, this is our price leg, trading range. This is our trading range. We have a bearish order block, we have a bullish order block. So after making this range, price will start to trade internally. So it will make something here, here, here. Now if it is taking resistance from bearish order block first, this is not going to work. This is liquidity creation. It is going to, if it is taking bearish order block, if it is taking support from bearish order block, then this is not going to work. So I hope I explains. Sometimes some order blocks works and some order block doesn't work. The clear explanation to this phenomena is, you have to track the price range. Once you find out your dealing range, then it is very easy for you to identify which order blocks are going to work and which are not going to work. So if price is taking mitigation from a bearish order block, then the dealing, and this is the bearish order block of this particular dealing range, then the other order block is not going to work. This is very simple. So since, let me clear it out. So since price has, this is the dealing range. Now where is the order block with fair value gap or a gap? So I will consider this range as my order block range or demand zone, whatever you want to call it. Now price came down, took this liquidity from previous day, a smaller liquidity, but it took this liquidity, and then it took the mitigation. It did the mitigation. After doing this mitigation, it went straight up until this zone. So for my this particular dealing range, this was tapped first. Now this should not hold. This should not hold at all. So what I am searching for is this thing. If from here price goes up, takes out this one, then comes back into a fair value gap, here should be a fair value gap, and then price starts to go up, then I will take a buy from here until this level. So I am waiting for this particular trade. Let's see. This chart is saying I am bullish. This chart is saying I will play here and there. That's it. So let's see what is going to happen. This has taken this internal liquidity. Now it should go up, take out this high. So it will be my break of structure. Hmm. So within 10 minutes it should go up 10 to 15 minutes maximum. This is the time window. This is 15:45. It should go up by 16. That's it. So within this minute, if it goes up, takes out break of structure, then that's it. I will take a buy. And for this one, it is not so quite clear actually. It has made an SMT. It is not that strong. It was not able to break out this high, but since this is Asia session whipsaw, I am most certain that it has to break it out, or it can start to go down, take low first and then start to go up. So I don't know right now. I am not so much clear in GBP. This move is not a good move. Although it has came to this particular order block, this can sustain, but it is not a good move. Because now we are very far away from my level. So my interest is that price should remain near to my levels, like this one. It took out my level, took mitigation, went up. So 1, 2, even 3, it was a good trade, but we didn't take it. Now what has happened actually is price is creating liquidity here. Price came down. It is almost in the middle. So this is not so good. And the bottom of order block is almost in the middle. So this is not a proper liquidity grab. Liquidity grab is like tick and then go. Like this one. Came back down, went up. Or this one. Just went up and then dropped until this level. So basically my zone is from here to here till now. Today's trading zone in GU is from here to here. GBP 1 आवर पे स्विंग ट्रेड. GBP 1 आवर के ऊपर भाव फुल बुलिश है. भाव फुल बुलिश है. GBP 1 आवर के ऊपर ये बोल रहा है कि उसे 1.32157 को क्लियर करके ऊपर निकलना है. लेकिन कभी निकलेगा नहीं मालूम। प्लस फ्राइडे को स्विंग ट्रेड नहीं लेते, वी डोंट टेक स्विंग ट्रेड्स ऑन फ्राइडेज because of so many variables. A lot of variables will get involved during Saturday Sunday. Trump, he will be thinking something, he will say something, and market will, there will be a lot of waves in the market. So we don't take swing trades on Fridays. If you want to do swing trading, you can trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that's it, and Thursday you can close it, or maximum Friday you can close it, but you do not take any swing trade on Friday. तो अभी वेट करना भाई, ट्रेडिंग इज वेटिंग. See, this is not good, it should have gone up. So I will wait, I will remove this and I will wait. Although it is near to good levels, but this one has not taken this liquidity, my level and relative equal highs both are pending, so I will not buy short from here even if it gives me break of structure here. If it goes up, takes them, then possibly a short something can happen, but right now nothing is there to short. Similarly here it has created this liquidity, this is a channel basically, and we have liquidity on both sides of the channel. So it has created liquidity here, this is a liquidity, but it has not given the reaction so far which we wanted. So I will wait, let's see what it is going to do. So guys, give me 5 minutes, I will take a break and then I will come back. This drop is not good, or maybe it is good because a lot of people will think that this is a break of structure, but it is almost at the middle, so not so good. And this one, okay, so this one, if we get a reaction from this level, then GU buys good. Something is happening. If we get a reaction from this level now, so this level is going to work. Give me 5 minutes guys, let it play. So apparently it has not worked. I will remove it from here. And this also has not worked. This is the last possible level from where we can have a trade. If it is not working, then I am not going to trade. The problem with this mitigation is we don't have a break of structure, proper break of structure in this much length. So So here we have a trade, I think, potentially in both of the pairs, and I'm going to trade it. But this has essentially tapped. This is the breaker block. This has essentially tapped the breaker block, so I will trade both of them. The problem here is that these are relative equal lows, so this can pan and cannot pan also. But if these relative equal lows are not tapped today, expect them to be tapped by Monday, and my partial will be, first partial will be 1:1, almost here. It has to pass this level. Once it passes this particular level, then partial 1 is good. It will go easily up to that level. And by the way, in Euro USD 1:1 is already achieved. You can take something out, put your stop to break even if you want to avoid any losses before going into weekend. But I will keep it as it is for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Why not wait at 16046? 16046. Okay, you are talking about the liquidity level, which is previous day low basically. So why I did not wait? Because if you see closely, this is my level, and this tap and then a doji. That gives me a little bit of confirmation that now it is my buy, because I consider my levels to be very reactionary. So it gave a good reaction though. If you want to, yani, this is already 1 is to at least 1.5. So if you want to close, you can close. So my basic confluence was that this is an order block to the left, a fair value gap plus my level. So everything aligned. So I think it is going to go up, but this is Friday. It can go down to take out previous day's low. It can happen. And this particular level where it is right now, this gray box which I have marked, this is also a algorithmic candle. So this range can send prices down. So that's why, because of confluences, timing and market structure. So if this level is working, then I will close it at break even. And if it goes above it, then I will put my stop to break even and I will take partials at partial level. So let's see what happens. No, no. If I lose money, then I lose money. I will make money next day. But this is Friday, end of the week. So I am not going to re enter into the market. Other days, yes. But end of the week, London session is the deadline. London close. When you are near to London close session, then no need to reopen any trade. No need for a revenge trading. No need for any other thing. Now this 5-minute candle, the new 5-minute candle has to go above the gray area. It is struggling, but once it goes past it, we will take our partial one pretty soon. Very good. So it has already passed this level, so I will discard it. Now only thing is this particular level. We don't have any fair value gap here now, so this is the only fair value gap which has to be taken care of. This fair value gap has to be taken care of. Then we take our partials, we put our stops to break even, and then we can call it a day. Let the market do whatever it wants to do. Guys, give me 2 minutes, I will be back. What are financing companies, brother? Can you explain? And if this fair value gap remains, then it is a bad indication. We do not know whether this breakout structure is going to work or not. So let's see. It should work, but this double tap is not good. And if this fair value gap is almost closed, now it is closed. So this is our level, this is the demand zone of this particular consolidation. Price should go up and take out the breakout structure at least. It is going up. Euro USD is going up for now. Let's see. I will wait for some time. Brainer, can you explain what by saying financing companies, what are you actually referring to? This drop in Euro USD, this drop in GBP USD is not so good. It is not good at all. So I think we should close it now. Cut our loss in. Let's see. This drop is sharp. So in both trades I am out. Let's call it weekend. Okay guys, that's it. Let's call it a weekend and take care. See you guys next time. See you guys on Monday. Till then, stay safe and